So a lot of you have been asking me for an AI tool to use to generate images for free and also videos for free. Well, you're in luck because today that is what this tutorial is all about. In this tutorial, I'm going to be sharing with you two tools, one for image generation and the other for video generation. And what is amazing is they are totally free. So if you have someone interested in knowing these tools, do feel free to share with them and show you what you see to the end. If you are new to the family, please click on that subscribe button because I drop educational videos such as this every week. So without wasting much time, let's get right into the tutorial.
So guys, the first platform is the image generation platform. This platform is called ImageFX. This platform is completely free and it is by Google. So if you've not started using it, start using it before it becomes paid for. So all you need to do is to go to this website, labs.google.fx basically, or just type out ImageFX on your Google Chrome and it would bring you here. You just need to log in with your email and you're good to go. So once you're here, this is where you put your prompt. So I have a prompt I generated before. I'm just going to paste this here, and then you can see it gives you different options that you can use to generate that if you want other kinds of style. Next, you come to your settings. This is where you're able to pick if you want a landscape, if you want portrait, whichever one you want. So I'll just pick portrait. And then aside that, this is the seed number. If I copy the seed number of this particular generation, I'll be able to get consistent images. So this is amazing if you are into storytelling. So we're just going to come back here and then click on generate, and it's going to give you 4 options that you can pick from, so that way you have different options that you like. Just take a look at this, guys. Isn't this amazing? This is so beautiful. So all you need to do is to click on the option and then click on download. So I'm just going to do like another prompt that I generated from ChatGPT, and then I'll show you again how it looks like. So we're just going to come here and then paste our new prompt and then see what it gives us. So this is going to be more like a conversational kind of picture, and as you can see, it is super fast, really fast. So this is good. So I'm just going to download this one again. Now to the video generation, that is image to video. The platform we're going to use is Grok AI. This AI is completely free, and what it does is that it turns images to videos, and you can also use it to create your images. And the amazing part is that it takes a look at what you have in your image, and then it's going to use that to generate the video. So once you go to grok.com, just log in with your email or download the app on your phone, and then once you're here, just click on this attachment, click on upload file. It will take you to your downloads or your media. Click on the image that you just generated. So I'm just going to click on the image I just generated and then open. So you'll notice that before I even start anything, it has started making it into a video. So we're just going to wait for it to generate and then I'll show you the results. Guys, just take a look at this. Isn't this cute? So this is so nice. If you are into African folk tales, you're into kids channel, short stories, this is a good way not to start spending money, especially when you're just starting. And then I can just type anything I want her to do again and then click on make video. So for instance, I can say I want the avatar to model the outfit she is wearing, and then I'll click on generate again, and then we're going to see what it will give us. Guys, just take a look at this. Look at how she's modeling the outfit and everything. So you can keep on prompting and until you get everything, and then just click on here to download, and that is it. This is so good, guys. So guys, I hope you found this helpful. If you found this helpful, don't forget to click on that subscribe because I drop videos like this every week. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.